Hi there and welcome back to my channel, Full Stack Explorers. As in our last video, we make the cart component UI design now and almost completed our web app. In today's video, we will work on checkout page. Let's get started now. As I'm in the cart file now, let's add a link first in our checkout page. We will make a route with the name of checkout, so I'll add checkout in my anchor tag. Now create a new folder with the name of checkout and add a file index.tsx in it. Let's create a default method here with an export. In JSX, make the div to fragment. In that fragment, I'll paste my code for checkout which I made for it. In this code, we have a bunch of fields like name fields, address fields, etc. We don't need the card fields data as we are not going to make the for online payment, it's COD only. Save the changes now. Let's check the changes in the browser now and see how it's looking so far. Click on cart icon first. Now click on checkout button. As you can see, we have a checkout form page now. It's looking fine though. User can enter his details here. Also, he wants to modify the items, he can by clicking on cart icon easily. About this code which I used, I get it by Googling it. You can search in Google and you can find a lot of templates easily. The one thing you need to do is customize the code as per your needs, as I did. That's it for now. If you guys like my series on Fresh.js so far, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next videos now. Happy coding!